Okay, sir. So let's start the session. We have CCNP Enterprise and Core and NRC class demo today. So we have our trainer with us. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, Sachin. Good evening, everyone.
So, sir, without wasting time, we can start the session. You can just introduce yourself and you can continue with the course content and everything.
Yes, for sure. Yeah. Hey,
Thank you.
guys. Good evening. This is Amit, and I'll be your instructor for this complete series. This is the combo where you are going to learn CCNP ENCOR as well as CCNP NRC altogether. So, guys, once I talk about my experience in this particular domain and field, so it is somewhere more than 10 years right now. It's been time working in the same industry, and I am more in the training department, like providing training on different technologies, not only on Cisco, even on different technologies, different vendors like Palo Alto, like Fortinet, as well as Checkpoint. There are so many different vendors that I do provide training on. Apart from, there are so many that even not so popular, but even I do provide training on those technologies as well. Once you talk about my all the experience, like what are the expertise, then I have already trained students on CCI security, more than 100 students already I trained them. And I remember 3 4 students, the purpose of taking training of CCI security was being CCI certified. And by the good practice, they passed their certification exam as well as CCI security. So this was very brief introduction about me, guys, and you guys will be knowing about me more once you will be continuing this series. And if you have any question related me, you are open to ask. Yes, guys, over to you all. Thank you. Any question from anyone?
Yes, guys, you can ask your question related to anything related to CCNP basically.
Hey, no issue, Sachin. Thank you so much. So, guys, let's talk about what you guys are going to get in this particular combo pack. So, first of all, because you already know, and how many of you here already have done your CCNA, guys? Just raise your hand. I just want to see numbers. How many of you already have done your CCNA?
Hi, sir.
Hi, Rahul.
Yeah, hi, sir. Sir, I have already completed my CCNA and I'm working as a network engineer only.
Good,
So,
Rahul. Good.
so someone suggested me this CCNP and firewall. So I want to go into the network security domain. Apart from that, I'm looking to go into the cybersecurity domain as well. So can you please guide me?
Yeah, definitely. I'll be guiding. Let me take all the questions from others as well. Then accordingly, I will start. Yes, Rahul. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, how many of you already have done CCNA? Like not CCNA certified, I'm asking. I'm asking at that level of knowledge. How many of you have? And I hope everyone is comfortable in English language. If anyone there do not know English or not understanding English very well, then you can ask me. Like I'll be switching the language and I can talk in Hindi as well. Yes, guys. Okay, okay. Harish Raj is saying that I've done CCNA. Good, Harish Raj. So that's good. Okay, how many of you already have done your CCNP also, and you want to do something that is called revision, and you want to polish your skills again? Anyone here who has already done CCNP as well? Like in core and NRC, you guys already know. But point is, it's been time, not got chance to do revision and polishing your skills. That's why you again want to continue with the same thing. Anyone here by chance? No. Amar is saying, okay, Amar, no worry. I'll be starting because again, see guys, let me talk about more about the CCNP part. So if anyone is here concerned about scratch or having no knowledge and you are here in this particular training, so guys, be assured that you are going to learn things from scratch. Like once I am telling you about any concept that is definitely not very basic level, but because the concept is coming all the way from CCNA level, definitely, let's suppose I am giving you understanding on some protocol. Let's suppose STP I am talking about. So definitely, who has already been through the CCNA curriculum or course, seen that STP there as well. But once you are coming here in CCNP and you are going to understand about STP, I'll be not directly jumping from the advanced part. However, I'll be explaining you guys first basic, then gradually, slow, by step, I'll be going in the advanced part or the professional level thing. So, Amar, do not need to worry about that. I'll be helping you to understand things from scratch, even if you don't have any knowledge in the field. Only one thing I need from everyone, that is your energy and your enthusiasm towards learning new things. That's the thing that I'm expecting from all the students, all the candidates are here joined in this particular meeting today. Yes, Amar? Yeah, no need to worry, Amar. Good.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, actually, I wanted to ask, CCNP is okay. So this is CCNP plus firewall, right?
Sachin, are you there? I think
Yes,
this is
yes. This will be CCNP Enterprise plus Fortinet combo batch. So it's up to you if you want to take combo. You can take that. Otherwise, you can go ahead with your choice, CCNP single only as well.
Okay, I saw there is Fortinet also. Fortinet, I thought there will be FortiGate firewall will be covered for that.
Yeah, definitely. That will be there, but step by step. First, we'll focus on the CCNP and core and an RC. Then after that, Fortinet will be there.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
Yeah, continue,
Thank-
please.
yeah. Anyone else have any other question before moving ahead? So I'll be moving towards the syllabus part, guys. So, okay,
Hello?
no issue because I'm not seeing
Hello?
anyone is asking any.
Hello?
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Hello, can you
okay.
hear me? Hello?
Yes, Harish Raj. Yes, please tell.
Amit, I have a query, Amit. Uh, uh, actually, this package is under CCNP NRC with CCNP ENCOR and a firewall, right?
Yeah.
So, what would be the advantage of choosing this combo pack instead of complete CCNP ENCOR or NRC? I
Yeah,
mean,
okay.
what would be better? So I need to know whether you'll be covering all the concepts which usually that specifically if I'm choosing CCNP Encore or NRC. So will the syllabus you are covering will be same or will there be any deviations in that?
Okay. So there are two parts actually in your question. First one is if you want to go with the CCNP, ENCOR and NRC, then what would be there covered? And if you are going with the complete combo, that is CCNP, ENCOR, NRC plus Fortinet, correct? So what if there is any difference? So I'm coming on that. So point is once you are going, let's suppose with the combo that is CCNP, ENCOR plus NRC plus Fortinet. So the content you are going to get up to CCNP, ENCOR plus NRC, that would be the same in the first package. That is CCNP, ENCOR plus NRC. Like we'll be starting from CCNP, ENCOR, then again we'll be making things a little bit advanced, then we'll cover CCNP, NRC. Once that is done, then later on we are going to see Fortinet separately. Like that will be included in this particular combo, but that will be in the later, not not the mixed version, if I would say. Okay.
Okay, Amit. Okay, Amit. Understood. So, how much would be the duration of each coverage? It would be any tentative values you could tell me.
If you are going with that, most probably it will go somewhere 120 hours plus. If you are going with the complete combo,
Okay.
120 hours plus it will go. If you are going with CCNP, ENCOR, NRC plus Fortinet altogether.
Altogether is 120 hours. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Amit.
Okay.
Thank you, Amit. Yeah, Amit. I'm
Thank you.
satisfied.
Thank you, Harish. Yeah. Any other question from anyone else? Lab. Yeah. Zaid, right? So Zaid, yes, definitely. We have 24/7 running lab. So once the concept is being taught to everyone, you guys are going to get access of those labs in this particular package. Yes. And if you need more information about all these parts like lab, like the course content or what would be the duration, then definitely you have good option to connect with the counseling team. Like Sachin is here from that team, and you can definitely ask question later on also to them to, and they guys are there to answer your question and solving your whatever concern you are facing. So lab is definitely included in this. Whatever thing I'll be showing you in this particular course, that you are going to see in that particular lab, that is 24/7, and that is on demand. Once you need that, you just need to tell the team like I want to access this lab, and you will be getting your credentials and you can log in using that and you can access your lab. Like for practice, you have lab option available there that we have already. Yes. Yes. Anyone else having any other doubt or any other point or question? Then please feel free to ask, or I'm going to. Okay. Yeah, lab is there. Yes. Okay, Zahid, you got it? Okay. Good. Good. So what we are going to see in that particular thing, I can tell you literally in very detail. So point is, I am going to open a see. So once we talk about CCNP, ENCOR, NRC, Fortinet, so sometimes it comes in the mind to the students like, will they covering all the part that is really important as per the certification point of view? This is the question that usually people ask me when we are talking about these combos. So point is, guys, the particular curriculum is actually made and structured in a way that is most of the time is job oriented or industry oriented. Like once you are going through all this particular course, once you finish that, you will have good understanding, decent level of understanding and confidence that you will be very wonderful fit for any team, any project that you are working there. Few things or most of the things are used as per the routers or switches or related firewalls, and different technologies or protocols that is literally running on those routers and switches and firewalls. Those all the things you are going to get this particular combo. But if you are concerned about your certification, so definitely I'll be covering also those parts. But for that, once I'll be getting information from your end, okay, I want to become certified on this particular code or this particular ENCOR or NRC or Fortinet, then our team is there to help you in that, and most probably your syllabus little bit will be changed for that and in that particular time. I hope it's making sense to everyone. So this particular combo is especially designed for by putting things that is literally important in industry. Okay, that the technologies you should be aware up to CCNP level, up to your Fortinet level, that is literally you guys we see on your day by day job or day by day work in the company. I hope it's making sense to everyone. Yes, guys, you're getting it. Like about the syllabus part, what we are going to cover.
Yeah, guys, you can speak up, yes or no, or you can mention in chat, please.
Yeah, definitely, yes. Let's make this more interactive. No need to hesitate here. Okay? You can ask your doubt because this is the demo and your doubt is welcome. Most welcome. Your doubts are most welcome. Actually, for class 1, class 2, there are so many doubts students have in their head. But if you're not asking, then no one is going to ask on your behalf. Might be your question someone else is asking. That is wonderful. But if you have any specific, please unmute yourself and ask your question itself. Okay? No need to hesitate. No need to worry about that, like who will be what sir will think about me. No, that definitely we are not going to think like that. You are most welcome. This is the forum where you can ask openly. Yes, guys. Go ahead and ask. Yes, Jed has asked some question. Abhiram is there. Karan, Katyani, Saini, Sagar, many more. Karan Singh, Abhishek. Any specific question or anything different from that, you can ask. No issue. Rahul, your question was answered? You asked in very first time. Like, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Allow me one moment. Yeah.
we can go ahead, sir. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. So I'm going to share my screen. No issue at all. So just allow me a moment. I'm sharing my screen, sir. Rahul's question is answered. That's fine. Is this screen is through? Everyone is getting the screen. Yes, guys. Yes. So first part is routing. Okay. Second part is switching. Getting it? After that, high availability. Then security. These are the 4 sections that you are going to get first. And on second, you are going to see automation part. You are with me? On automation part,
I
you are
think
going
the screen is not clearly visible.
like it's showing
It's stuck somewhere, like on the uh, bottom bar or side somewhere header bar.
just wait, sir.
You
Just
can
wait.
yeah.
Let me do it again. I think now it's going good.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So guys, first one is routing, second one is switching. These are the main sections I am telling you. I'm not going with as per syllabus, but if you are concerned about syllabus, like what is the ENCOR, ENARSI syllabus and Fortinet syllabus, definitely you are going to get that. Those parts for sure I'm going to cover here, but I am giving you my view or my plannings, how I'm going to deliver the things. So routing, you'll be seeing what? Routing protocols. Routing protocols, like first we'll be starting from very basic, that is default. And you already know about default routing and all these. Static routing, then we'll be seeing the dynamic routing. There we'll be seeing RIP. We'll start from RIP, guys, okay? Then we'll head towards EIGRP. OSPF. Then BGP. And guys, literally, because this is combo of ENCOR ENARSI in CCNP, you are going to see these things at advanced level. Advanced level means what? these protocols will be up to CCI level. Even you are here in the CCNP, but we'll be starting from very scratch. And what advanced level, once I talk, like you are going to get all the contents up to your CCI. Even your, if anyone from here want to go after CCNP for CCIE preparation, you are literally are on the right path. Okay, this would be covered here at that level. Once that part is done, this was the main thing. Let me tell you a little bit about the switching. There are so many things, guys, that we are going to cover, and definitely I'm going to show you the syllabus as well right after that. But in switching, what is the main thing that you guys literally need? Ether channel, I hope everyone heard about. Yes. In switching, you are going to see STP, RSTP, and MST. These are the main and very famous protocol in the market. These are the few major protocols that I'm mentioning here. Okay. In high availability, you are going to see what? There are so many different protocols, like Ether channel is there also, that sometimes we consider in high availability. We have, let's suppose, HSRP. You are with me? We have stacking. All these parts. Stacking, very rare you will get anywhere covered that in any other institute or somewhere, anywhere you are finding on globe or like internet. They rarely cover that, but you are going to see that this stacking part as well. Okay. Stacking, once I'm saying, means what I'm saying. I'm saying, let's suppose you have 10 switches installed in your company. To manage 10 switches altogether is really very cumbersome. So you can follow some stacking methodology, and you can stack all the switches, and altogether they'll be bundled, and those switches will be considered as single switch. Okay. And you can work on that particular all the switches by taking some access of only one, that stacked switch. Okay, that part you are going to see in that as well. Not in very deep, but at decent level you are going to get in this particular course. In security, we have router security, router and switches security here, guys. And again, we have firewall here as well. So actually on your routers, you have one firewall inbuilt that we call as ZVF, zone-based firewall, guys. This you will see before starting firewall, that is Fortinet here. Got it? And at automation part, you are going to learn basics of Python, and will also learn how to write scripts and make our configuration automated, or you can say, yeah, and simple. Not going into the complex type of configuration. Let's suppose if I'm asking any of you, can you please go and configure this ASA firewall? So most probably you will be wondering, how will I do that, right? So you should have good understanding on that firewall, then only you can think like I will be able to configure that. But by saying this particular Python thing, if you understood how to learn Python scripts, and I'm giving you that particular program that is already made by us as a team, and this is just asking you few initial informations like what IP you want to configure, what is the you can say what type of policy you want to configure there, how you want to make their security level, all those parts. This is just asking, just like a layman language is asking something. And accordingly, once you are providing all the details that that software is asking, like that programming script is asking, your ASA firewall automatically will be configured. And the complex part that was behind that will be written in the script part. And I'll be helping you guys to Write the script, understand basics of Python first, then you'll have good understanding on how to write scripts and how you can automate your configuration. You do not need to take console of your router, your switch, your firewall. Even using the Python, you can do that automatically by just pushing the information on your program, and on your behalf your program is going to do that job for you. These all the things you guys are going to get in this particular combo. But let me show you the syllabus actually, guys. So what is that? I hope everyone is getting me. Any question anyone have in between, please ask. Yeah, Vikas, Niranjan, Sagar, Asif, Katyani, Rahul, any question, guys, from anyone? Anywhere you are wondering what I just said, like all the things that I shared with you all. Yeah? Nothing? If you're not saying anything, then I'm taking it positive, like you don't have any question, or you have. Let me show you guys. I'm just opening here. Okay. See why it's giving this. Here also, even you can go directly on the Cisco website. This is also from Cisco only. Able to see everyone? Hello? So once we talk about CCNP ENCOR, so in enterprise, this is the core. Like in enterprise, how many tests are there or how many certifications are there? They all need this certification to be done before going for CCNP. Other like just let's suppose you want to go with the SD-WAN, you want to go with the NRC, and you want to become CCNP enterprise certified, then you must have this particular certification in your hand, that is ENCOR. Okay, so now you can see this is divided into 6 sections that you guys are going to see in this particular training. First one is related to your architecture. See, first explain the different design principles used in an enterprise network. Like see, everyone, high level enterprise network design such as 2-tier, 3-tier, fabric. Once I am saying fabric, are you guys getting it? Once I am saying fabric, what is fabric? Anyone? No? Software defined networking, guys. Nowadays very popular. Like your networking that is automated. You remember I just told you about Python? Here, definitely Python is not being used here directly, but there are so many things like DNA center, there are ICE. So all these things, if you are working on if you are making them in such sequence, like they are working all together and creating a fabric, like, okay. So that you guys are going introductory part, you will see in this particular course as well, not the very detailed one. For that you have different modules available in Cisco and cloud. Yeah, so this part you are not going to see so much, but definitely introductory part you are going to see in this, because again, see, ENCOR is not very deep level thing, but at least touching all the things that is available in the enterprise, you can say enterprise section in the Cisco. Like enterprise is there, security is there, right? I'm talking accordingly of that. Service provider is there. So for everyone, there are few prerequisite. Like in CCNP, even just for enterprise, we have ENCOR. For security, we have S-core. That is security core. So this everyone needs to be certified on once you want to become CCNP certified. Even in enterprise, if you want to become, then you need to have CCNP in core first. After that, you can go for some other core. I hope everyone is getting it. Yeah, I want to hear you from you all. Hey guys, are you getting it, or I'm just speaking and you're not getting it? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir, getting it.
Oh, good. Sounds nice. And see, high availability techniques such as redundancy, FHRP, and SSO. Remember? Redundancy, FHRP. I hope who has already done the CCNA, you will be most probably you are aware about FHRP and SSO. So this part, literally redundancy, these all parts you are going to see really very in detail. Then explain the working principle of Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN solution. See, working principle it is asking to explain. Like you will be getting theoretical knowledge most probably, not the complete thing, but at least you will have better idea like what is SD-WAN, what are the benefits and limitations of the SD-WAN solution. Not only SD-WAN, even SD access you are going to see here. See, after that, very important part, that is quality of service, guys. I hope every one of you somehow have listened about the quality of service. But if you are wondering how that literally works in the companies, in the enterprise, in this course, you guys are going to see that as well. Okay? Then this was the first. Second one is the virtualization. Now see, hypervisor type 1 and type 2 virtual machines, virtual switching, all these parts you are going to see. Not only that, see here, VRF at router level you are going to see. GRE and IPsec tunneling, definitely we are going to see in this particular course. And what about LISP and VXLAN? This is again related to what? Related to your fabric. Okay? That you are going to see here as well. I hope everyone is understanding that. Because we are not discussing anything like from the conceptual understanding. This is just the topics that is there actually involved or that is included in this particular combo course. Infrastructure. Now here you will see layer 2. See everyone. Static and dynamic 802.1q trunking protocols. Like we'll be starting from literally from DTP, then we'll head towards the other parts. Troubleshooting static and dynamic ether channels, guys. Ether channel I mentioned there, if you remember. Only main part I mentioned. RSTP, MST you are going to see. Okay. Don't wonder about the STP. STP is not mentioned there. It is saying RSTP, MST version you see. You will be getting, but definitely I'll be going to start from spanning tree protocol. That is the very base. Okay. Got it? And after that, not only that, we are going to see all these parts as well, that they are the STP toolkit. Definitely you will be seeing this part as well. Not only this part, even more than this, you are going to see in this particular complete course. Even that is not here in the syllabus. But if you guys will relate, in starting I told, the thing that is literally important in industry, that is related to industry and in your job, that we are going to cover, and our orientation is towards that. We'll covering the syllabus, plus we'll be taking care what is really meant in that industry. And that part you guys are going to see within this particular course. In layer 3, compare routing concepts, EIGRP, OSPF, advanced distance vector versus link state, load balancing, path selection. These are the advanced concepts, guys, that you are going to see. Not only that, you are going to see OSPF version 3 as well. Yeah. Once I am saying OSPF version 3, we talk most of the time about IPv4, isn't it, guys? You agree with me? How much we talk about IPv6 nowadays? But believe me, guys, IPv6 already has started its, expansion. Like in the companies, people are slowly shifting and migrating towards IPv6. Even there are so many companies on the globe, they already shifted completely to the IPv6. Okay, so if you are shifted to IPv6, not only the routing protocols you are going to see in context of IPv4, even you'll be seeing that in context of IPv6 as well. Okay, even not only you guys heard about IPv4, right? IPv4 subnetting is the prerequisite for this CCNP training. But IPv6 subnetting, most probably you guys have not learned in your CCNA. Who has done here or anyone? Yes, let me ask. I got one message from who was that person? Harish Raj, I think you have already completed your CCNA, correct? Yes, Harish Raj, are you there?
Yes, Amit, I'm here.
Yeah, so you completed your CCNA. So just wanted to understand or confirm from you. Have you learned their IPv6 as well?
Actually, they gave an intro for IPv6. Just an
Sorry, I
intro.
didn't get. Can you come again, please?
They just explained us why IPv6 was introduced and
Uh,
what is the reason for introducing IPv6. Not in depth on how the routing will be changed or anything like that. They didn't explain much about IPv6.
like not much information about IPv6, but the introductory, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, that part you are going to see in this as well. Okay. Even that you will not be getting here anywhere mentioned. Why? See, because as per the industry requirement that you should be having in your brain, in your knowledge, in your daily practice, that you are going to get even. But definitely all these parts will be touched there as well. Okay. See here, policy-based routing, you are saying configure and verify eBGP between directly connected neighbors. Not only the simple things, even you are going to see so many advanced aspects. And we as a networking training provider company make sure the things are aligned in a way that is literally helping you if you are going in the company and you are working in the company. Okay, not just for sake of all these topics are covered and that's it. No, we are bringing questions, topologies, lab guide by considering all the things that is literally helpful for you guys once you are working in the company. Once you are sitting in your job interview, you whatever questions are there, the interviewer is asking, you already know about all that. Why? Because we are coming from those industry expertise, already have been worked on those industries, and even right now we are working, so we will know about what type of the things are running nowadays and what they are going to ask, what they are going to check your understanding on once you are giving interview. Okay, so not only that, in the layer 3 even policy based routing. Yeah, so these are the very advanced topics, like you'll be not seeing in any CCNA classes. Definitely that is not the part of that particular curriculum. In IP services, then 3.3, we are still in the infrastructure. Okay, these are the things that you should have literally in very deep level. Okay, so don't wonder by just seeing all these things. IP services, you are going to see start from NTP and PTP first, and will configure NetPath, very important. Then first hop redundancy protocol such as HSRP, VRRP. Here one thing is not mentioned, that is GLBP. Actually, that also I'll be covering in this part. Okay. After that, we'll be seeing multicast protocols like RP. See, multicast protocols you are going to see, as well as you are going to see RPF as well. Any of you know about RPF already here in the training? No? No, right? Anyone? Have you guys heard about RPF before? What is RPF? Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to ask you, like, I'm not going to tell you, explain that. No, I'm just asking if you know, you heard about that or not. Simple. किसी ने सुना पहले इससे पहले कि आरपीएफ ऐसा कुछ करेंगे?
No, Matt. No.
Huh? Yeah, so no issue. So this is actually reverse path forwarding. So what happened in that case? This is something that is security mechanism. You have that option that you can apply on your routers even. So even once we talk about routers, we most of the time think about the routers are there just for routing. No, guys, there are so many features on your routers even that if you are good in technical, you can deploy your router in a way that is going to actually reduce the cost in your company. And definitely if you're reducing cost in the company, you'll be getting benefited, right? So definitely there are so many things. RPF is something that actually helps you once someone from outside is trying to poison your layer 3 network, then that at that time you can deploy RPF technology there. Okay, so that you are going to see. Might be this is not the only one reason. There are so many other reasons that you will be seeing in your training part. Making sense to everyone? Yes, no, guys. At least you can say like yes, no, or send message here. Yeah, I want to hear.
Guys, I will request you kindly speak up, yes or no. So this is for like confidence for the trainer as well and for the interactive session, right? So at least he will be aware like candidates are listening him.
Thank you, Sachin.
Yeah.
No issue, no issue. Okay. I'm considering they are understanding, sir. Being positive, yeah? So let me go on that particular part again. How many of you heard about like how these news channels actually working? News channels, right? How many of you have seen those news bulletins like uh, in Hindi? अभी अभी ताजा खबर आ रही है ऐसा करके. How many of you have already watched those videos on your TV or in somewhere live on your YouTube? I hope everyone have watched that, right? So how they are actually, that is multicasting that is happening there, right? So how they are doing all these things, like how what are the protocols that is actually involved in all those things, you are going to see in this multicasting protocol as well, that you guys will literally find it really wonderful once you'll be seeing. See, I'm able to do multicast even using my own lab, that you guys will be seeing live here how those protocols literally work in the back end, and you can see things are literally multicasted. Okay, so let's suppose there would be one server that will be the multicaster that is doing multicast, and whoever will be joining that multicast session, the thing the server is now broadcasting or multicasting, that all the clients who is joining, they'll be getting all that played on their systems. All these things you guys are going to see in this particular training. Okay, then network assurance. See, IPSLA, NetConf, RESTConf, even using AI. AI, that again will be what? These all will be the introductory part. SNMP, syslog, debug, all these things you guys are going to see definitely how to use debug command, how to use conditional debugs, how to use trace route, ping, SNMP and syslog. All these things you are going to see little bit more detail, not only that touching the point and coming out. No, you will be understanding this literally in very well manner. And again, Cisco Catalyst Center, earlier DNS Center. This part I'll be explaining you, but not, this is not 100% covered in the syllabus, but the introductory part is there. Not only that, you'll be seeing IPSLA as well. I hope many of you already heard about IPSLA. Okay, that make sure to that this is there. These are the technologies are there to assuring your network. Okay, by taking, you can say, proactive approach to, so that your network would be up. Okay, so these are the technologies and protocols you are going to see in that part. In security, now see, we'll be starting from very basic, like local user authentication, line authentication. I hope in CCNS so many of you have already heard and did the practical on that. How many of you have taken the telnet? Definitely everyone has taken the telnet if you have been through the CCNA. There, what type of password you will be using? You will be using there some password so that once you are going to take access of your line VTY, you are being authenticated and you will be asked for that password. Okay. Not only that, you will be seeing AAA. Yeah, AAA server is there. So you'll be also getting introductory part on that AAA server as well. After that, we have ACLs, we have COPP, we have describing REST API security. Now this is saying REST API security, like the introductory part you are going to see. And there are so many different codes in your CCNP that if you want to go, you can go. You feel free to go with that after having this training done. Okay, not only that, see, TrustSec and MaxSec, again, next-gen firewall. Next-gen firewall, not only you are going to get here introductory part, even you are going to learn next generation firewall, that is Fortinet in this particular module. Okay, but later on, we'll be taking introductory here in core and NRC. Let's suppose there are few people who have joined only CCNP, ENCOR and NRC. Then you will be getting understanding here. But who has joined the all three, then they are going to understand more on Fortinet part as well. TrustSec, MaxSec, endpoint security, threat defense, all these parts you are going to see. Not only that, guys, see, you're getting it. This part I'll be covering in very detail. Even I'll be showing you how to write scripts and how to deploy those scripts, how to apply those scripts. Okay. Then again, here are the introductory parts. Okay. Not only that, even I'll be telling you about the AI, how AI, like introductory part, I'll be telling how AI is important for us. So this is all about, this is the latest syllabus you are seeing here. This was as per your ENCOR exam topics. What about others? Like what about NRC, guys? Let me tell you that as well. Here is the NRC. Yeah, anyone have question from this part? NRC is more on advanced parts, okay? So one sec, guys. Yeah. So see what you are seeing here. More on routing, yes? Getting it? Like troubleshooting, routing, very deep level. Then after that, you are going to see here in EIGRP IPv6 as well. Like what? Named mode EIGRP you are going to see here in your NRC. So like you will be not actually able to actually detect like once your NRC concept is running and once your ENCOR is running, because I'll be starting from ENCOR and we'll head towards the NRC level and then we'll be finishing that topic. So let's talk about here, take example of EIGRP. So in ENCOR, I'll be starting from basic and will going and finishing that particular syllabus that comes in your ENCOR. And once that is done, then I'll be heading towards the NRC level. And once this is done, like that particular topic is completely covered up to NRC level. Okay. In OSPF version 2, version 3, same way. Like here, most of the time you are seeing the advanced part. In VPN, able to see everyone, guys, see. This part is so much well reputed in the industry. DMVPN. We'll starting from GRE, then we'll head MGRE, then NHRP. NHRP is something that is known as Next Hop Redundancy, Next Hop Resolution Protocol. Then we'll be seeing IPsec, then Dynamic Neighbor, then Spoke to Spoke. All these things you are going to see in this NRC section. Not only that, not only the VPN part, even you are going to see MPLS operations. This you will not be seeing actually in very deep, but the introductory part I'll be giving you. But this part you are going to see because there are, see, you have so many sub points here, then you are going to see this part as well. Only the single hub is there included, guys. So single hub I'll be telling you. But if any one of you are curious how to deploy multi-hub, then again I can show you. Don't worry about that. Okay. And infrastructure security, then we'll be starting. See, the CAX plus radius local database. Any of you have heard about these things earlier? This come in your this section, that is AAA, that is Cisco ICE. Actually, we have in Cisco. Not very deep level, but at least decent level you are going to get. Okay. Then ACLs are there. Then IPv6 traffic filter means IPv6 ACL you are going to see. Not only that, you can see URPF here. There was RPF. Here you are going to see URPF. Then troubleshooting, control plane policing, COPP, telnet SSH, telnet, telnet SSH, HTTP, SSNMP, IGRP, OSPF, BGP. So all these things like your troubleshooting control plane policies, these all the things you are going to see. IPv6 first hop security feature, RA guard, DSCP guard, binding table, ND inspection, snooping, source guard. This part you will be seeing where? In your NRC part. Very advanced concepts, guys. If you are literally, see, if you are aware about all these things, means you are so much ahead from all the your peer one that they are working with you in your company even. Then we have console and VTY, like how, like once we are talking about NRC, most of the thing are here that is coming from the T-shoot level, like very decent, deep level, not the decent, deep level you are going to see. Okay. So we'll be starting from ENCOR and we'll be heading towards your NRC, that is advanced. Anyone have question here, guys, from all these sections? After that, I'm going to tell you that what you will be covering in your Fortinet. Hi, Sachin sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Yeah.
So just can you please help everyone, like which code will be covering in Fortinet? Like, is this for NSC4 only or will be
Yes,
covering?
NSC4, sir. Yes.
Yes. So guys, in NSC4, thank you. So once I'm talking about security, where I'm talking about further next-gen firewall. So in our Fortinet, let me make little bigger, sorry. Once I am saying Fortinet, here we are going to see basic configurations like routing, NAT, yeah, DHCP, VLAN, you can say ether channel. Not here is not ether channel, that is known as aggregate. But in Cisco, the thing we call ether channel, right? Here is that as well. Not only that, we have, just suppose we have FHRP in the Cisco, we have there, let's suppose redundant links, redundant interface. Okay. This part we are going to see. After that, I'm including everything here in one place. Okay. Then you are going to see firewall policy, how to control flow of the traffic going through the firewall. Then after that, we'll be saying security policies, guys. Once I'm saying security policies, then we'll more talk about next gen firewall feature in how to do layered security deployment. Yeah. Once I'm saying that, I'm going to explain a little bit later. No worry about that. Not only that, high availability you are going to get in that. Deploying firewall in transparent mode as well as in route mode. Here we call them NAT mode, okay? No need to worry. This is route mode here. So these are the things that you guys are going to get in that. And believe me, guys, that would be very decent level. Once you are done with that, this is completely covering your NSE4. Once you finish that in this particular Fortinet, you are ready to go for NSE4 certification directly when you will be passed, okay? So we talked about CCNP ENCOR. We talked about CCNP ENARSI. We talked about Fortinet NSC4. Any question from anyone here, you are welcome to ask. And if you are asking how the flow will be, so flow will be like this. Start from very basic, not basic, very basic. From networking, then heading from life of a packet, or you can say packet flow, then ARP, MAC address, IPs, okay? We'll start from here. Then we'll be heading towards the advanced concepts, correct? Like in basics, we'll be seeing the basic routing and switching. Then we'll be heading towards something like advanced routing and switching. And those things that I explained you there, like that I've shown you there in that particular syllabus that is coming from Cisco directly, that is the up-to-date syllabus. Those parts will be included in this. And literally, guys, you are going to get so many new things. Even if you are having done your CCNP before, I challenge everyone, you are going to get so many new things. Even you already have finished your CCNP before. Okay? This is a special type of the combo that you are going to see here. Okay? Getting it? And after that, you are going to see router and switches security part. So anyone, if there is wondering like how I will understand these professional level things, no need to worry. I'll be starting from very scratch. If you don't have any knowledge, let's suppose if I'm talking about IPv6. So IPv6, I'll be starting from very basic. Okay? I will not directly go and start explaining you how to do routing using IPv6. No, I'll be first explain you what is IPv6 and how many types of IPv6 you can see. Okay, those things I'll be covering first. If you have any specific question from subnetting, that is IPv4, that we are not going to see here literally. That is the prerequisite. You go ahead and do that. If you need some help, definitely we are here to help you. Yes, sir. Sachin, sir. Do you have any IPv4 subnetting, some self-paced or something like that? Then definitely, can we help them if they need?
Yes, we do have, sir. We'll provide them.
Yeah, definitely, guys. That part you can take from there as well. Yeah. So this is what we have to offer you guys, and that you are going to learn. If anyone have any specific question, please ask. Or Sachin sir, if you will say, then I can start from basic here, like from packet flow. No issue. Or if you want me to extend this for tomorrow as well, so same class, I'll be more than happy to start from the same thing where I left today.
So,
Whatever you find it. Well, yes.
hello.
Hi, yes, Harish.
Amit, actually, I'm having a doubt. So, will you be covering MPLS, L2 VPN, L3 VPN, L2TP in this course, or it be not covered? Actually, I just went through what you shared in this meeting, but I was not able to see that MPLS, L2 VPN, L3 VPNs were not mentioned.
Where? In this way, where I'm writing right now?
Yeah.
No. Whatever I've shown you there, that will be covering, but those MPLS VPN will not be covering very deep. Okay.
Okay.
Like the introductory part, top level we will be giving. But
Okay.
once you talk about DM VPN, that I'll be covering in very detail, very deep
Okay.
level.
So, if will you support me if I'm learning these sort of MPLS, L2 VPN or L3 VPN outside? So, will you be helping me if I have any doubts?
Yeah, if you have doubt, then definitely we can connect later on. Just be connect with the management team of our organization, and definitely we'll be in touch. But in the class, I think that will not be possible because there will be so many people. So might
Okay.
be they will be not relating. Separately we can connect, and definitely I'll be help you. Huh?
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Amit.
Yeah. Welcome. Welcome. Yes. Anyone else have any question, guys? See, this is the time where your doubt can be answered. Okay. So please feel free to ask. ओके हिंदी में आ जाता हूँ. अगर कोई ऐसा है हिंदी में पूछना है तो हिंदी में पूछ लो. किसी का कोई प्रश्न है या आपको समझ में ही नहीं आया क्या क्या पढ़ाओगे आप इसमें, तो आप बोलो, मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ सारा. जी. अंडरस्टूड. यस. समझ रहे हैं आप लोग? वेरी मच साइलेंस इज हियर सर.
Yes.
नो
I want
इशू.
to
नो
I
इशू.
want to give them one offer if somebody is enrolling who have not taken enrollment. CCNP Enterprise and Core and RC plus Fortinet, these three will be live, and I'll give them Palo Alto live class recording complimentary if somebody is joining CCNP Enterprise and Fortinet live.
वाओ,
That would
लाइक
be
दे
the
विल बी
offer
गेटिंग
for
टू
first
फॉर
and
टू
second.
फायरवॉल.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
That's
If
fine.
somebody is having a missing concept from the CCNA level, then I'm giving opportunity for the CCNA full live class recording as well, complimentary.
Hey, wow.
Yeah,
Can I get that, sir? I also need that.
definitely.
Good. बहुत अच्छा है सर.
Could you please repeat that offer what you told now, Sagar?
Yes, Harish. Please,
Uh,
Sachin, can you repeat again, please?
yes, Harish, I was saying that if somebody is enrolling for CCNP Enterprise and Core plus NRC and Fortinet Firewall, these three will be live. Plus, he will be getting complimentary live class recording of Palo Alto Firewall. That will be by Palo Alto TAC engineer from Ireland. Okay. And if somebody is having missing concept from the fundamental CCNA level, then we can offer him CCNA live class recording as well, complimentary. This is the offer for first 10 students. So who have not taken admission, they can reach out to the admission team. The content is very in-depth. That is by engineers only, not by the local trainer. Okay. So don't worry, guys.
Thank you, sir.
So, okay, sir. So let's sum up the class for today and we can connect by 10 p.m. From tomorrow itself, like, right?
Yeah, sure, sure. I'm
Yeah.
there. I'm there. Yes.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the class. You understand the topics and everything from the CCNP and Fortinet guys. So let's connect tomorrow. And who have not taken admission, please reach out to the admission team. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir. Good night, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Sachin, are you there?
Yes, yes, Harish. Yeah.
Sachin, for the admission, whom should we reach out?
Yeah, my team member will connect you in just 5 minutes. Okay, you can wait for that.
Okay.
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 Thank you, Harish.